Is your child aware of the privacy of incognito tabs and uses it more often? The worst part is, private browsing always vanishes history, leaving no record. There is a way out of this, by which you can see the browsing history in the private tabs or even the incognito ones, just by using your Android. However, sometimes private browsing can be necessary when you want to research something confidential. You can make multiple accounts and browse privately, or turn on the private browsing Android feature. To do that, just open up Google Chrome and click on the three dots to open the menu. Then you need to click on New Incognito tab to enter a private browsing area. Now this was for the adults. If your kids are doing any private internet browsing and you want to check it, there's also a way for that. With the help of FamiSafe, you can easily check the records of private browsing on Android phone or tablet. Here is something about FamiSafe. It is by far the greatest parental control tool used by a large number of parents to track their children's activity on the internet. You can see with whom your children chat or even the social media activity along with the browsing history. Here's how to do it. Just install the FamiSafe app on your and your child's phone. Create an account which should work on both the phones. Both the mobiles are connected by FamiSafe, and you can track your child's surfing activity by clicking on the browse history on your phone. That's it. Now you can track everything your child does on the internet. It will give you how often a particular website has been visited and at what time. And you can also block websites using the app. There is no better way to monitor and control your child's internet activity other than FamiSafe.